4 fixed beds in a sub 6-meter van? The Dreamer D53 says yes, and keeps a usable lounge. If your shortlist demands real bunks, a separate shower, and daily driver manners, let's see where it wins and where it compromises. Dreamer D53 Fun on Fiat Ducato. Current price will be discussed later on. You're watching Car Hub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans. Twin rear double bunks mean 4 fixed beds, 0 nightly conversions. Voltex mattresses improve support so you wake up ready to drive. Opening rear door windows add cross breeze and drop nighttime heat. Result: kids sleep fast, adults don't rebuild the lounge at midnight. But 4 fixed beds often crush bathroom space. Does it here? Modul'Space rotates the wardrobe aside to unlock a proper shower area. The separate shower keeps towels and bedding dry after use. Drainage is simple. The tray clears quickly between turns. You get quick morning routines without soaking the rest of the van. Fiat Ducato ergonomics keep controls familiar and seating supportive. EU-wide service access reduces downtime on long tours. ESP with ASR-ROM and Hill Start holds traction when surfaces change. A reversing camera cuts low-speed stress and protects the rear corners. 16-inch alloy wheels tighten steering response and braking feel. Remus cab blinds tame glare at dusk and lock down privacy at night. Net gain: less fatigue, more confidence, easier parking in tight areas. Diesel combi heating with CP Plus delivers fast air and water heat. Digital control means set the temperature, then forget it. Warm-up is brisk after winter walks. Showers don't wait for the kettle. The kitchen block integrates hob and sink for simple prep and cleanup. A folding worktop flips up to extend prep space on demand. The tall fridge freezer stretches resupply intervals and keeps food organized. USB points keep phones and tablets topped up during transit days. Ambient LED lighting brightens the work zone with minimal battery draw. Outcome: cook quickly, stow cleanly, keep devices alive without rationing. An electric side step lowers to make entry effortless for all ages. A side door fly screen invites airflow while blocking insects. Swiveling cab chairs face the rear seats for proper eye-level dining. A swing-out table extension adds room for a 4th plate without crowding. Removable slats in the rear boot reconfigure fast for bulky cargo. So, daily movement stays simple. Step in, sit down, eat, sleep, repeat. A multimedia head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto centralizes maps and audio. One cable, one interface, fewer taps to get moving. Clear caller ID and prompts reduce distraction on unfamiliar roads. Ambient LEDs create even coverage without harsh hotspots. Nighttime visibility stays high while power use stays low. Cab blinds and rear shades cut reflections for calmer late-night stops. Framework check. What's the trade-off? 4 fixed bunks in a compact footprint will reduce open daytime floor area. Plan movement. Assign gear zones, keep walkways clear, fold prep extensions when not needed. Payload. Verify numbers with your typical family kit and water split. If those boxes check out, the layout trades minimal open space for maximum sleeping certainty. Quick recap: wins. 4 real beds without touching the lounge. Separate shower thanks to the Modul'Space rotation. Ducato ergonomics with broad EU service coverage. Heating and hot water that respond quickly and predictably. Storage that flexes using removable slats in a tall fridge. Quick recap: watchouts. Daytime openness is tighter than a 2-berth lounge van. Weight discipline matters with sports gear and full tanks. As always, test your loading pattern before a long trip. Back to the essentials. This is a family-first tool. Sleep solved, wash solved, drive predictable. The D53's value comes from fixed functionality over lifestyle theater. You get systems that reduce friction. No bed rebuilds, no wet corridors, no guesswork heat. Every decision protects energy on travel days and patience on rainy ones. If you're juggling school holidays, late arrivals, and early departures, fixed bunks avoid arguments and preserve mornings. If you're often in cooler months, Combi with CP Plus keeps comfort steady without constant tweaking. If you spend time in towns between sites, Ducato manners and a reversing camera make parking less of a chore. Model and price anchor again for clarity. Dreamer D53 Fun, UK price this time, €71,700. Check current dealer pricing and spec packs. Options and upgrades change weights and costs. Final pass, who is this for? Families who want guaranteed sleep without converting anything. Tourers who want a real shower and a small footprint. Drivers who prefer mainstream service networks and predictable road manners. Creators or remote workers who appreciate LED efficiency and reliable USB power. If that's your list, the D53 earns a close look. If you want maximum open lounge space and a panoramic salon feel, look elsewhere. This design prioritizes certainty over openness by design. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. What feature matters most to you, the 4 fixed beds, the separate shower, or the Ducato drive? You've been watching Car Hub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans.